Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. There is no guarantee of earnings, and crypto-related bots may involve risks, changes in rewards, or withdrawal limitations. Always do your own research before using any platform, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some Telegram crypto mining bots that claim to let you earn free crypto directly from your phone without any investment. The idea is simple: you join a bot, start tapping or completing small tasks, and slowly collect rewards over time. One of the popular ones is the Bitcoin Miner Pay bot, where users can start claiming free Bitcoin through a simple tap to earn system. There is no investment required to begin, and you can also earn daily rewards and bonuses. In addition, inviting friends can increase your earnings, making it a more interactive way to grow your balance over time. Another bot people talk about is the Hamster bot, which allows users to earn free USDT by tapping and completing tasks. You can collect rewards regularly and withdraw once you reach the minimum limit. The more active you are, the more you can potentially earn by doing daily tasks and checking in consistently. There is also the Helix mining bot, which gives users free mining power just for joining. You can collect daily rewards, receive boosts, and complete tasks or watch ads to increase your earnings. Later, you can swap Helix rewards into USDT and withdraw them like the others. It does not require any investment, only regular activity. Some users even use auto-click apps to automate tapping in certain bots like Hamster or Bitcoin Miner, allowing them to collect rewards more continuously. But it's important to always check the rules of each bot before doing that. Overall, these bots are based on simple engagement tasks like tapping, watching ads, and inviting friends. If you stay consistent and active, you can slowly build up small crypto rewards over time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your earning journey.